Hi guys, now I'm going to continue TensorFlow. Okay, now we'll see tensor data types. This tensor has a different type of data types. Okay, like float 32. You can assign any data type. Okay, like bool, string. Okay, you can take the screenshot of this. I think it may be useful. Okay, now we'll continue next thing, and that is creating tensor using numpy. Okay, I will show you using Jupyter Notebook. We can create our own tensor like I have shown you in first video, or we can derive from well-known library called numpy. Okay, first I will import the TensorFlow library STF. Okay, next I will import the numpy as np. Okay, now I will create some variable and I will store it as tensor. Okay, tf.constant np dot random dot rand. This will give you random number 32 sized array. Okay, or we'll take it as 3. It will be simple to visualize and see. Okay, I will keep the type as float. Okay, float 32. Okay, first I will show you, I will comment this and I will show you what will be this one before creating the TensorFlow constant. Okay, we will see the output of this. Okay, this will create the array with 3 elements and the type as float. Okay, this is the syntax of it, or you can give anything here, int 32 or anything, float 64. Okay, now I'll uncomment this and let's print it. This will create the TensorFlow constant. Okay, this is tensor. Now we'll see how to convert numpy array using inbuilt function to tensor. TensorFlow tensor. Okay, now I will again import TensorFlow, or it is not required because we already ran this program. Okay, now I will directly create the variable and I will store the numpy array, something like 1 point, 2 point. This is the 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, I'm creating. I'll take it as 3 point. Okay, now we will use the inbuilt function tf dot convert to tensor, and we have to give the variable which we have to convert data, right? And the type is, we have to mention the type tf dot float 32. Okay, now I'll print this x and I will show you the output. Okay, this is the tensor, 2 by 3 tensor. Okay, here you can see the shape of it. Okay, this is the useful method. Okay, Okay. Okay guys, now we'll see how to initialize a variable. Okay, for it simply we can call the variable object constructor with a tensor as parameter. Okay, I will show you. Let the variable be b, and we'll call the tf dot variable. This should be capital. Okay, it is inbuilt, and this is the array of 1000 zeros, or we are initializing some variables with an array of 1000 zeros. Okay, tf dot zeros 1000 to initialize 1000 zeros, or you can call anything whatever you wish, or 7. Okay, now we'll see the output of it. Sorry, here I missed the syntax. Here it should be the these brackets. Okay, okay, now it will work, I guess. Okay, we got it. Or if you want the exact output, how to check like only this one, then you can directly type the tf dot print b. Okay, then you will get it. Okay, okay guys, thank you. In next video I'll show you what is the session, and we'll see simple matrix operations, and like in what is interactive session. Okay, and how to segment the tensor. Okay, next video we'll see this all. Okay, thank you guys, please do subscribe.